Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a what's in my bag video. I have been sporting this MCM Liz reversible tote bag in the size medium around with me, and I thought I'd share what's been inside this bag for the last few weeks. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay, let's start with how big this bag is. So I do have the large size. The medium seems to be a little bit more everyday for me. The large is more like a travel weekender bag slash day trip bag. But this size medium is stunning. I love it so much. And this is in the Blossom Pink MCM monogram. It really is a good size bag and it is absolutely stunning. So the bag I'm seeing a lot these days are the MCM monogram with the black. And while that one's beautiful, I'm glad I picked this up while it was available. I have seen this at a few places, but this is a older model. I have been wearing this for the last few weeks. I just love the pink color. It's super spring and summer vibes. Let's get into what is in my bag. I am a carry all the things kind of girl, and I'm okay with that. Always remember that, of course, your bag's going to get as heavy as you load it up for. So I'm going to start with this gorgeous pouch that comes with this medium size MCM tote bag. This is so beautiful. Remind me of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull coming with a pouch. I will say I feel like this one is a little bit more usable than the Neverfull pouch, and that's because it has a shoulder strap, which is so nice, whereas the Neverfull only has a wristlet, which is okay. But this is nice to just have in your bag. You want to run into the store, you don't have to tote the entire thing. That can get quite heavy depending how much you put in it. You can just take this in the store, and it is so really nice to have both options. So inside this bag, I have everything I would need basically to take inside a grocery store or a quick run without taking the entire bag. So let's start. I have my key because of course I'm going to lock my car if I just grab this and run inside. I have a hand sanitizer because anytime you touch a grocery cart or a grocery basket, you're gonna want to sanitize. I have what I have been enjoying so much lately, the Faux Filler Lip Plumper and the Dior lipstick. So these are two of my favorites. Those are amazing. I always carry a powder for touch-ups. This is the Gucci. This is a really good powder. I really enjoy it. And so it's always nice to have one of these in my little pouch. I also have my full-size Clemence Louis Vuitton wallet in the Demier Azur. I will say I don't need a full-size wallet in this bag, but because it's such a spacious pouch, I'm like, why not? So I carry that. I also have a breath freshener, Listerine spray, and I always like to carry just a little perfume with me. It's a good way to use up my little free samples. And it's always nice to freshen up throughout the day. This just kind of refreshes me. So that's everything that was in this little pouch. Next, I'm going to share that I have my sunglasses in this little pouch here, which is awesome. Oh, I also have my Milk lip gloss, also really good. Here I have my On Till Dawn. This is really nice to have. It really does seal in your makeup. If you're feeling a little withered throughout the day in the summer heat, I recommend spraying your face with this. I use it after I'm done with my makeup in the morning, but it's nice to have a little one to just carry with you throughout the day, just to kind of refresh your face. And it does truly lock in your makeup. I have a little tiny hairbrush just for taming the crazy. So since it is summer now, I love this Kula. This is the most amazing face mist sunscreen. You are supposed to reapply sunscreen, and how often do you do that when you are wearing a full face of makeup? Me, never. So this is ideal. You just spray this over your makeup. It doesn't ruin anything. It doesn't budge, and it just keeps you from age spots, sun damage. And so I'm a huge fan of the Kula. This may seem like overkill, but this is just what I do. I have 2 of these, my colored pencils. And I'm a huge adult coloring book kind of girl. It relaxes me. It helps with my anxiety to just color. And so I always carry an adult coloring book when I have a bag this size with me. And I keep my colored pencils. And then I'll carry this little Coach pencil case. And this little cutie just has like my colored pens and highlighters for when I journal. And so I always like to have those if I'm sitting in a doctor's office, waiting to be seen, the dentist office, but it's nice to have the options. So I always carry those pencil cases. Next I have my Christian Dior. This is my favorite hand lotion. I also have my Coach mirror. It is my little Coach journal. Again, I got this at the outlet mall and it's so pretty. I love to have this. I love to jot things down, write down ideas, journal ideas for videos, which I would love for you guys. If you have some ideas for videos, leave them down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I want to show you things you want to see. It's nice to have. I always love a good journal. Okay, so next is my adult coloring book. I thought this was so pretty. I saw it at Barnes & Noble. My son loves to read, and so he's always making me take him to Barnes & Noble, and I always find stuff I love too. So this is the Enchanting Fairy coloring book, and it's just really, really, in my opinion, just super pretty, delightful, and just kind of fun stuff to color. So I'm here for it. I just got this a few days ago, so I haven't even started, but I can't wait. So I'm excited to have that, and it fits beautifully in this bag. I also picked this up at Barnes & Noble. I just thought this was so beautiful. I need a big planner. I have my Claritin. I also carry Dramamine for my daughter because you just never know. And I have some Zyrtec in here. My kids and I all have allergies, so it's important to keep this with us. And then I have this little catch-all that has like some Mucinex cough drops. It has some Dramamine for my daughter who gets car sick easily. I have some wet ones and lens wipes for my sunglasses. So this is just a really nice little catch-all to carry all the things. And that's everything. So this is the organizer I picked up off Amazon, and it has served me really, really well. So this is I'm not even going to try to say that, but that is the brand if you're interested. And it's just the perfect pink. Goes perfectly with my bag. So I love having this. Just helps organize everything and protect everything. As you can see, this is a large bag, even though it's considered a size medium. Beautiful bag. As you can see, once the organizer comes out, it's just very soft canvas material that just kind of collapses. And so if you like the slouchy, sloppy look, then you don't need an organizer at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this What's in My Bag video. Again, this is the MCM in the size medium reversible tote bag. And if you're interested on how you close this bag with these drawstrings, I have a whole video and I will go ahead and link it for you guys so you can check it out after this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it. I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.